Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MTEN Fiberglass Paddle. The SLK Halo Pickleball paddles are high-performance paddles designed for players who seek ultimate control, power, and spin on the court. Available in two versions, Halo Pro and Halo Control, these paddles offer tailored performance for different playing styles. Both feature a RevCore Power polymer core, which provides a perfect balance of power, consistency, and durability, making them suitable for players of all levels. The Halo Pro is designed for players seeking maximum power and spin, delivering excellent responsiveness and quick ball acceleration. Its carbon fiber face offers superior durability while enhancing spin, making it ideal for aggressive players who rely on heavy topspin and fast exchanges. The Halo Control, on the other hand, is optimized for players who prefer precision and finesse, offering enhanced ball control and feel, especially during net play. Both paddles are engineered with a carbon fiber surface that increases durability and provides a consistent response across all shots. This design not only improves the overall feel of the paddle but also enhances the ability to generate spin, allowing players to perform more advanced shots with ease. The RevCore Power polymer core ensures that each paddle offers a responsive, yet forgiving, feel that is perfect for both power hitters and control-focused players. The paddle's lightweight construction reduces fatigue during extended matches, allowing players to maintain peak performance throughout. In summary, the SLK Halo Pickleball paddles offer high-level performance with a focus on spin, consistency, and power. With a carbon fiber face, RevCore Power polymer core, and two paddle options designed for different playstyles, they provide everything competitive pickleball players need to elevate their game. Number 2. Selkirk Latitude. The pickleball paddles set with USAPA approval is designed for both men and women, offering a high-quality experience for beginners and intermediate players. This set includes fiberglass surface pickleball paddles and is specifically engineered to provide a balanced combination of power, control, and durability. The fiberglass surface enhances the paddle's ability to generate spin, providing players with greater accuracy and ball control during their games. This feature makes the paddles ideal for a variety of playstyles, from aggressive hitters to players who rely on precise touch shots. The USAPA approval ensures that the paddles meet the official standards for competitive play, making them tournament-ready. The set typically comes with two paddles, each featuring a lightweight design that reduces hand fatigue, allowing players to maintain peak performance throughout longer games. The ergonomic grip offers comfort and prevents slipping, ensuring a secure hold during intense rallies. Included in the set are also pickleball rackets and pickleballs, providing everything needed to get started with the sport. Whether you're practicing with friends, playing in casual games, or entering local tournaments, this set is suitable for a wide range of players. Overall, this pickleball paddle set offers a durable, high-performance solution for those looking to enhance their game. With fiberglass construction, USAPA approval, and an emphasis on control and spin, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to take their pickleball skills to the next level. Ideal for both men and women, this set provides all the essential gear needed for a great pickleball experience. Number 3. Onyx Z5 Graphite. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle offers a complete package for pickleball enthusiasts, featuring two paddles, three balls, and one bag, everything you need to hit the court and start playing right away. Designed for players who value both performance and durability, this bundle includes G4 graphite-faced paddles with polymer RevCore technology, making them suitable for players of various skill levels. The G4 graphite face on each paddle provides a lightweight, responsive surface that enhances control and precision, giving players the ability to make accurate shots while still generating power. The graphite face also ensures excellent spin generation, allowing for greater ball manipulation during fast rallies. The polymer RevCore technology inside the paddle optimizes power and consistency, offering a forgiving feel on off-center hits while still providing ample ball control and stability. The bundle includes 3 pickleball balls, which are essential for practicing and playing in any environment. These balls are designed for durability and optimal performance on different surfaces, making them ideal for recreational play or competitive matches. The carrying bag offers convenient storage and portability, allowing players to easily transport their gear to and from the court. Overall, the Selkirk Latitude Pickleball Bundle provides a comprehensive solution for both new and seasoned players. With its graphite-faced paddles, polymer RevCore technology, and the inclusion of pickleball balls and a carrying bag, this set offers an excellent value for players looking to improve their game and enjoy a complete pickleball experience. Whether you are practicing your skills or playing with friends, this bundle delivers the necessary equipment for a great time on the court. Number 4. Paddletek Bantam TS5. The Onyx Graphite Mod Z5 pickleball paddles offer a premium playing experience, designed for competitive players who seek power, control, and comfort. Featuring a graphite carbon fiber surface, these paddles deliver enhanced ball feel and increased responsiveness, making them ideal for players who want to elevate their game. The graphite face of the paddle provides a lightweight yet durable construction, ensuring greater maneuverability and quick reactions during fast-paced rallies. This material is well regarded for its ability to generate spin, giving players the ability to place the ball with precision and execute advanced shots such as dinks, drives, and volleys. The carbon fiber further enhances the paddle's performance, adding extra rigidity and strength for maximum power while maintaining excellent touch. Designed with comfort in mind, the cushion comfort grip ensures a secure, non-slip hold, reducing hand fatigue during extended play sessions. The ergonomic grip provides a comfortable feel, promoting better control over the paddle for more consistent shot making. The design helps to absorb vibrations, providing added comfort and reducing the risk of strain or injury. The Onyx Graphite Mod Z5 is ideal for players who prefer a versatile paddle that performs well across all areas of the game. Whether you're looking to increase power on your serves or gain greater control during net play, this paddle offers the perfect balance of both. Lightweight, durable, and featuring an ergonomic grip, the Onyx Graphite Mod Z5 provides the ideal combination of performance and comfort for players seeking to enhance their pickleball skills. Number 5. Jola Essential Pickleball. The Jola Essentials pickleball paddles are designed to offer a balanced combination of power, control, and durability, making them an excellent choice for both beginners and intermediate players. These paddles feature a reinforced fiberglass surface, which provides excellent strength and flexibility, enhancing ball control and delivering consistent performance across all types of shots. The fiberglass surface offers a lightweight yet durable construction that increases the paddle's ability to generate spin, allowing players to manipulate the ball more effectively, whether they are executing topspin, backspin, or slice shots. This feature contributes to improved accuracy and consistency, making the paddles suitable for a wide range of playing styles. At the core of the paddle is a honeycomb polypropylene core, a key element that adds to the paddle's responsiveness and durability. The polypropylene core helps to reduce vibration, providing a more comfortable and forgiving feel, especially during off-center hits. This core technology is known for its balance of power and control, making it ideal for players who want a paddle that can handle both fast drives and soft dinks with ease. The Jola Essentials pickleball paddles also feature an ergonomic grip, designed to ensure comfort and minimize hand fatigue during longer playing sessions. The grip provides a secure hold, allowing players to maintain control over their shots and movements, improving overall performance. In summary, the Jola Essentials pickleball paddles offer a great blend of performance, comfort, and durability. With their reinforced fiberglass surface, honeycomb polypropylene core, and ergonomic grip, these paddles provide players with the ideal combination of power, control, and comfort, making them a fantastic choice for players looking to enhance their pickleball game.